Hello. In this video, we want to graph y equals cosine of x minus 2. To do this, we want to begin with the parent function. So we have y equals cosine of x. Okay. For an xy table, 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi for the x's. For the y, we have 1, 0, -1, 0, and 1. Now, for the transformation, we are subtracting 2. Notice that this -2 is not in the argument, which means that it is a vertical translation or a vertical shift, in this case, down 2 units. So we would subtract 2 from the y. That means that the x's will stay the same as 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. But just subtract 2 from all the x's, from all the y's. So 1 minus 2 is -1. 0 minus 2 is -2. -1 minus 2 is -3. 0 minus 2 is -2. And 1 minus 2 is -1. Good. And as a reminder, here a is 1, which means that the amplitude is 1. B is 1, it's the number in front of x, which tells me that the period would be 2 pi over 1, which is 2 pi. C is 0 because there's nothing in there with the x, so that means that the phase shift is 0. And D is -2, which means that the average for this is -2. Awesome, and then we just graph this. Now to do so, I'm going to go ahead and make the x's the same. So that would be pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. And I'm going to go ahead and make this go by 1s here. So -1, -2, and -3. Notice that this function is oscillating about y equals -2. And then we go from there. 0, -1, pi over 2, -2, pi, -3, 3 pi over 2, -2, and 2 pi, -1. And there you go. That is your function. Excuse me. Alrighty. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.